In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a MySQL database in Hostinger. If you're ready to set up your database, let's dive right in and make this process as seamless as possible. First things first, once you've logged into your Hostinger account, you'll want to navigate towards the section that reads Websites. This is your gateway to managing the various aspects of your site. Here, identify the specific website for which you want to create a database. Clicking on the dashboard of your selected site will bring up a wealth of management options. The dashboard serves as the central hub for all your site settings, and it's here you can make many administrative adjustments to optimize your site's performance. Once you're comfortably within the dashboard realm, your next focus should be on locating the Databases section. This is where the magic happens when it comes to database creation and management. After you've clicked on Databases, you'll want to select the option labeled Management. This leads you to a space specifically dedicated to setting up and overseeing your databases. Now, with the database management area in front of you, it's time to create your new MySQL database. To begin this process, you'll need to enter a name for your database. Choose something descriptive that reflects its purpose, as this can help you easily identify it later on, especially if you end up managing multiple databases. Next, you'll be asked to create a username. This should be a unique username associated with this particular database. Similar to naming your database, consider choosing a username that reflects its role or ties back to the project, making organization more intuitive. For added security, the next step involves creating a robust password. A strong password is crucial. Ensure it's a complex mix of letters, numbers, and symbols to protect your database from unwanted access. Many people find it helpful to use a password manager to keep track of complex credentials like these, so you might consider that option if juggling multiple accounts and passwords. Once you have entered the database name, chosen a username, and set a password, you're all set to proceed with the creation. Hit the Create button to finalize setting up your MySQL database. Hostinger will work its magic, and soon enough, you'll have access to a brand new database ready for use. Congratulations! You've successfully navigated the Hostinger interface and created a MySQL database. This database is now ready and waiting for your data or whatever application you're planning to develop. Whether you're setting up something simple or embarking on a more complex project, you're off to a great start. Thanks for joining me today, and stay tuned for more tech tutorials. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tips and tricks. Keep exploring, and happy coding!